Peanut butter cup volcano cake. Ingredients: chocolate cake batter, 1/2 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup chopped mini peanut butter cups, peanut butter lava core, 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon melted butter, chocolate ganache lava, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Toppings: crushed peanuts, whole peanut butter cup. Instructions: 1. Mix peanut butter core ingredients and freeze in small scoops. 2. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix cake batter, fold in chopped candies. 3. Fill greased ramekins halfway, place frozen core in center, cover with more batter. 4. Bake 12 to 14 minutes. Edges set, center molten. 5. Top with warm ganache, crushed peanuts, and PB cup. Serve hot.